guys, good morning. Today is Sunday, April 12th, and it's Easter today. So today I'm going to be doing a little cooking video for you guys. I'm going to be making some marinated cucumbers, some roasted carrots with some green beans, and some quick and easy mashed potatoes. Alright, let's go ahead and get started, right? Alright guys, before we start cutting up our vegetables, we need to make sure that we turn on our oven and preheat it to 425 degrees, and then also make sure we have this stovetop ready and on medium heat so we can make our mashed potatoes, okay? Now that we finished cutting up our vegetables, I'm still waiting for the oven to finish preheating, so I'm going to start getting these ready. Alright, so I've got my pot behind me on the stove that's heated up, and the recipe calls for 2 cups of water, but I think it tastes a lot better if you put milk in there. And I don't drink regular milk, so I'm going to be using coconut milk. So I'm going to measure out 2 cups. So this is 1 cup, so I need to measure 2 of these. So there's 1, pour this in the pot. And now I need to measure another one. Alright, so there's 2. So pour this in the pot. And wait for that to heat up, and then we'll go ahead and add these in there. Alright guys, our oven is done preheating, so we can go ahead and add our vegetables. Now this is really important. The oven is going to be very hot, okay? So make sure you ask your parents for help, okay? Alright, so we're going to put this on the middle rack, right? Now we're going to turn it to bake. And we're going to leave it cook in there for about 15 minutes. Alright guys, now that our milk is boiling up in this pot, we're going to go ahead and add our mashed potatoes in there. Alright, and once they're all in there, we're going to turn off the heat. gonna go ahead and mix them together and start making it real fluffy. Alright, so our mashed potatoes are finished and they're waiting to cool down over here on the side. And our vegetables are almost done in here. So I've got about 5 minutes left, so I'm gonna turn off the oven. And I'm gonna leave them in there so they can cook a little bit more. Okay guys, time is here to take our vegetables out of the oven. Make sure we have our mitt on, right? Be very careful because there's gonna be hot air coming out. Ooh, looks very good, look at those. So I'm gonna let these chill on the stovetop right here for a few minutes. Alright, in order to start plating, I'm gonna start putting the vegetables on my plate here, and then start putting mashed potatoes, and then finally the cucumbers.